Hello everyone, I am SKCian Ranjeev from grade 9. My topic is types of masks. During the COVID-19 pandemic, most countries recommend the use of masks to reduce the spread of the viruses. On June 5, 2020, WHO changed its advice on face masks, recommending that the general public should wear fabric masks. Public mask wearing is most effective at stopping spread of viruses when compliance is high. So let's start with our topic. There are various types of masks, but my topic is N95 mask, surgical mask, cloth mask. So let's start with N95 mask. So this is N95 mask. An N95 filtering face piece respirator, commonly observed N95 respirator, is a particulate filtering face piece respirator that meets the US National Institute for Occupational invented by Taiwanese American Peter Isai, his team, and received its US patent in 1955. So next is surgical mask. This is a surgical mask. So a surgical mask is also known by other names such as medical face mask and procedure mask. Surgical mask is a personal protective equipment used by healthcare professionals that serve a mechanical barrier and interface with direct airface in the out of respirator or face. Although the material of this surgical mask are made with filter out of some viruses and bacteria by trapping the aerosol. Suspended in breath air, the only provide partial protection from airborne diseases. Because of the typical loose fit between the mask edge and wear force, surgical masks are distinct from filtering dispenser. So the last and final topic is cloth mask. This is a cloth mask. First, a cloth face mask is made of common textile, usually cotton. 1. Cover the mouth and nose. When more infection masks are not available and when physical distancing is impossible, cloth face masks are recommended by public health agencies for disease source control. In epidemic situation, to protect others from viruses, droplets in infected most wearer, breathe, cough, and spread sneeze. Because they are less effective than N95 mask, surgical mask, or physical distancing, and are not considered to be personal protective. Physical cloth masks cannot used by general public in household and community setting and protection against the infectious disease and particulate air pollution. Thank you.